What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today. All right, guys, I'm a little bit late today, but the plan today is we're going to be reviewing the in-depth strategy step by step, and just going to be walking you through how you can do this on a swing trade as well as a day trade. So first thing, let's just go ahead and send this out. Let's get everybody ready in here. So let me just go ahead in the Discord. I'm going to go right here and just let everybody know that we're live. And then we're going to go through it step by step. All right. All right, guys. Who's here in the bill? Hit me with a 1 if you can hear me loud and clear. And let's start. Okay. So, guys, basically, right now, what I want to show you, I'm going to show you a different look. Okay. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring you two dinner menus, and it's up to you which menu you want to take. All right. Both of them are good. So, the basic thing that we try to accomplish in trading is pullback trading. Okay. Pullback trading. That's all it is. Pullback. I don't want you to feel confused about Fibonacci, supply and demand, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Chart patterns, head and shoulders, shoulders and head, volume. I don't want you to get confused with that. The basic strategy will always be pullback trading. Okay. Hit me with the 10 if that makes sense. So I want to explain what a pullback means. So right here, I'm on the hourly chart. Okay. I'm in a short position right now on the hourly chart. And whatever you want, guys, there's an opportunity. You want to invest, you can invest. You want to day trade, you can day trade. You want to swing trade, you can swing trade. There's always an opportunity, but the concept always stays the same. And the concept is the pullback. That's who I am. Okay. I'm a pullback trader. And the reason that I trade the pullback is because I can always get a good deal. Okay. That's the style of trading that I do. I don't chase anything. I trade the pullback. The pullback will always allow me to get the maximum profit because I let the market come to me. I wait for it. I wait for the opportunities and I sit there like a sniper and I'm waiting. I never chase anything. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to show you, this is the hourly chart for futures. I'm going to talk about the short trade that I'm in right now. And I'm going to show you whether you are a day trader or swing trader or investor, there's going to be an opportunity if you're willing to trade this, just be there. Okay. You got to show up. So here we go. This right here, this is the hourly chart for futures. So I went short right here on the 618 Fibonacci with a stop loss at the 90%. Okay. And what I did here, guys, so I'm just going to go back in time and I'm going to stop right here. So this was July 27th. This was last week. We had the FOMC. And in the FOMC, we had this big sell-off. All right. So what can you do after you see that? Let's write it down. Well, you can short immediately. You can go long, or you can wait for the pullback. Those are your 3 options. The market can only go up or down. Okay. So based on these 3 options, which one would you pick? Number 1, number 2, or number 3? Let me know in the chat. Okay. So out of these 3 options, I'm going to rank them based on my style of trading. So if I short immediately, okay, this market has already dropped almost 80 points. If I chase this short, I'm already going to be down money 80% of the time. Why? Because the premiums down here are going to be much higher than if I waited for a pullback. Okay. The second option is go long. And going long, I have no problem with. Okay. Because if you're going long, you're trying to buy the dip, the calls are going to be cheap. You have a good risk to reward. Everything is lined up for you. That's not a problem. Okay. Hit me with a 10 if that makes sense. Let me try to fix the microphone here. Hit me with a 4 if you can hear me okay. And then the third option which is my style of trading, is I wait for the pullback. Okay. And we're going to talk about this in detail here. So, is there a pullback on the weekly chart? Is there a pullback on the daily chart? Is there a pullback on the monthly chart? Is there a pullback on the hourly chart? Is there a pullback on the 5-minute chart? Hit me with the 1 if yes, hit me with the 2 if no. So what I'm going to show you today is 2 prime examples. One is on the hourly chart for the pullback, and then one is on the day trading 5-minute chart. So the principle that I'm trying to show you guys here is called pullback trading. Pullback trading, you're going to discounted price. Okay, so here we go. So this is the hourly chart. So I'm going to play this through. Okay. So I went short right here on the 618 Fibonacci. Okay. I have a stop loss here on the 90%, which you could see, guys, many times we retested this. 1, 2, 3, 4 times we retested the 786. I could have also shorted on the 786, but for this particular strategy, I'm shorting on the 618 Fibonacci. So what does that mean? So this move right here, this is about 80 points. The 61.8% right here, this is basically 62% pullback. So right here is where I look to short because I'm looking at this block. Okay, so this is a block right here. Let me get the rectangle. This is a block right here that I'm saying this short that moved the market down. If we come back up here, it's going to want to short it again. So right here, guys, you can see the market is going red right now. We gap down on futures. And right now, guys, let me open up the broker and I'll tell you how much I'm up right now on this trade. 1 second. Okay. So on this trade right now, I'm up $1,073. Okay, hit me with a 5 if that makes sense. So this trade right here is going to take me potentially weeks or months to come to fruition. Okay, so what I'm doing is I took this pullback right here. I went short. I told you guys I went short a few days ago. And I'm thinking that this could potentially be the top of the stock market. All right. So what evidence do we have of that? Well, let's go right here. Let's put up MES. Let's look at the hourly chart. Okay. This is the hourly. Here's the weekly. Here's the weekly chart. Okay. MES. So obviously from the COVID crash, we've been in an uptrend. We pulled back. But right here, guys, if I take the Fibonacci from the high to the low, we're in that golden zone for the short. Okay. So what I'm betting on here, guys, is that this could be the high right here. This could be the high of the stock market for the rest of the year. As some of you might not agree with me, but if you look at the numbers, guys, I'm already up $1,000. So what I can do at this point is put my stop loss to break even, and I can let this ride. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. The whole purpose of pullback trading is to take calculated bets. Okay. So what I know right here is if I lose this trade, I'm going to lose $1,000 up front. But what is the upside potential? Maybe 5,000, maybe 10,000, maybe 15,000, maybe 20, maybe 100,000. That's the way you need to look at trading is what am I risking for the reward? What am I risking for the reward? So now this trade right here, guys, you could take this one trade. Oops. You could take this one trade right here, guys, and you could be done for the whole year potentially. All right. That's the way I look at trading. It's all a math game. So, however, if I look at SPY, what about a day trade? So how many of you guys are day traders? Hit me with a 20 if you're a day trader. So I'm gonna ask you guys right now. What about this concept here? I'm gonna write this down, and I need you to write this down. So write this down, okay? See what that says? It says as above, so below. So what's happening here? This Fibonacci that's playing out on the hourly chart, it's also happening on the lower time frames. If we go down to a 1-second chart, if we go down to a microsecond, the Fibonacci, the pullback style of trading is always happening. Okay. So now I'm going to show you, I'm going to hop into the Discord. I'm going to go to the Fibonacci live setups. So What I'm trying to do on the higher time frame has already happened on the 5-minute chart. So here we go right here. Okay, so right here, guys, you can see we went short at 10:53. This is the Fibonacci bot that I created. All right, we went short at 10:53. We hit the target at 10:59, 11:17, and the final target was 12:31. So let me go ahead. I'm going to replay this for you, and I'm going to walk you through. Okay. So you tell me, what's the excuse? If you want to trade once a week, there's an option. You want to trade a few times a year, there's an option. If you want to trade a few times a day, there's an option. What's the excuse? Even if you don't have the money, why aren't you paper trading? Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. What we're trying to build here is a lifelong skill. We're trying to build a skill that we can instill in the future generations to come. What we're trying to do here, guys, is we're trying to build the strategy of, very simply, the pullback, the discount. Okay. Right, let me ask you this. If you roll up in Macy's right now, and there is a shirt right there, there's a shirt, nice shirt in front of you. So let's say it's, I don't know, Versace. I don't even think Macy's has Versace, but anyways. So let's say you roll up, it's $300 for the shirt. You come back next week, the same shirt is $150. Which one would you rather do? You want to get it for $300 or $150? Tell me right now in the chat. What do you want? In life, there's always going to be a deal for the people that have the ability to have patience. Patience can pay. This is how you spell patience. Paytience. Patience. Patience pays. If you can't wait, if you don't have the ability to exhibit patience, then you're not going to get the biggest gains. Hit me with the 3 if that makes sense. Okay? That's what I'm trying to teach you guys. That's the concept. That's all it is, guys. If you can't exhibit that patience, you ain't going to make money in the long run, because eventually you keep chasing the extreme price, you will get burnt. It's happened to me. That's what I'm telling you. It's happened to me. FOMO is a real thing. Okay, so here we go. Let's walk through this chart. Here's the 5-minute. There's that first candle of the day, 5, 10, 15. Okay, that's 15 minutes. All right. So what I want you guys to do when you're trading this setup here is I want you to always wait 15 minutes. And from this point, what we can see here is that we opened inside of yesterday's range, and I want you to wait until you see a direction. Okay, so here we go. Here we go. Wait. Tell me when you see a direction. What direction is that? Hit me with the 1 for bullish, hit me with the 2 for bearish. What direction is this? So right here, guys, this is at 10:10. What would you say? Bullish or bearish? 1 for bullish, 2 for bearish. So the concept of this strategy, my friends, is waiting for the impulse. Okay? When the impulse shows up, there will be no questions. You'll know. You're going to look at the chart and you're going to say, okay, look at all these big red candles. This is bear. So all you do, very simple. Now what you're going to do, take that Fibonacci, put it from the high to the low like that. You're going to double click right here. You're going to put on the basic, okay? Always put on the basic strategy right here, okay? There's your 618. Once you see that leg, you wait for the 618 pullback. If it doesn't want to come to the 618, you have no business being there, okay? So here we go. So let's go back to the Discord. So we got filled at 10:53. So remember that. So here we go. Bang, bang. There's the fill. 10:53. So when you look at this chart, what do you see here? You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles with going towards the upside to the bullish direction. But this right here, okay, remember, this right here Get that rectangle. This right here, we don't care. We only care about this. This move. We say that this bear, this one, that same bear that pushed this market down, if we come back into the bear territory, the bear is going to push it back down. So here we go. Bang, 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 bang. New low right here. Okay? So that's at 12:30. What we're doing is when we get the new low, we're out. Okay? Because right here is where the rookies are going to short, right there. So what the rookie is going to do is as soon as we make that new low right there, they're going to short because they have FOMO. But we've already shorted over here. We've already shorted over here. We've already covered our position. Bang. And then you see the market reverses. All right? Even with the 25, if that makes sense. So that's why I designed the Fibonacci bot, target hit, home run. Target hit, home run. I want to see that every single day. Target hit, home run. Target hit, home run. If I could see that every day, I would be very, very grateful. That's all I'm looking for. I don't care about anything else. Target hit, home run. Target hit, home run. That's all I want to see. Okay? And what I could do, I could show you some things on this chart right now, guys, that are going to rock your boat. Okay? Should I rock your boat? Hit me with a 10 if you're ready to rock the boat. I can show you a lot, but what I want to teach is one simple concept, which is the 618 Fibonacci pullback. But I can show you a lot more. Okay? So what we're going to do right now is I'm going to show you right here step by step. Okay? So let's go. Pay attention. All right. So whenever I'm going to do a detailed analysis, I'm going to use the full Fibonacci. Like that. Okay. So here's the full Fibonacci. All right. So let's go. First candle, 1, 2, 3. Okay. There's a pullback right here. First two candles made a new high. Take that Fibonacci from low to high. There's that 50% retracement. Okay. Rich, what you have taught me has made an absolute game changer for my day trade. Thanks. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Okay. So here's the 50%. I teach you the 618 because I'm greedy. I want you to get a 61.8% discount. 50% is a very powerful level. But when you get it to 50%, it's not as cheap as the 61.8. Okay. But you can definitely trade that. So here we go. 50%, 618, pop, pop, pop. Watch closely. 272 extension. The 272 extension is a holy number. Okay. You need to write that down. 272 extension. Many times I've seen the 272 extension can be the absolute high of the day, the low of the day. Write that down, 272. So watch. Okay. So here we go. So we had the bull pushed up, came back down, 618. Okay. They got filled. They trade to the 272 extension right here. Now from here, bang, 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 bang. See that? So what happened there is that bull satisfied their profit needs at the 272 extension. 618 plus 272, you do the math, okay? So from here, we have the Holy Grail. This is the candlestick confirmation. So the Holy Grail pattern, that's the outside inside bar, we can clearly see. That's why I have the candlesticks. It also helps me to visually see. You look, it's slowing down. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. When we get to the 272, look where we pause. We pause, we put the Holy Grail, and then we sell off because you can visually see it here, guys. The Holy Grail is a consolidation pattern. That's why I have these patterns. So if you're looking for the reversal, if you want to short, you short on the 272. Here's your Holy Grail. Bang. Now, okay. So now the bull in the morning is satisfied. Now the bear comes in. So let's remove the drawings. Here's our bear friend. So let's go now again from high to low. Here's the bear friend. Let's play. There you go. There's the 618. This is the one we shorted in the Discord. And then from here, guys, straight down. So let me just fast forward this. Straight down into the new low. Stop. What about this? What about this right here? What about that? This little move. Watch closely. Take that Fibonacci. Watch closely now. I take it from this anchor from high to low. Do you guys see that? Right on the 618 again. Hit me with the 25 if you see that. So within this 5-minute chart, the minute chart, the 30-second, the 15-second, lower time frames, there's another algorithm that's digging in. Okay, so let me get rid of this. Hold on a second. Wait, is that the 272? Gone. That's what I wanted to show you today. See that right there, guys? Is that the 272? Is that a holy grail? Hit me with a 7 if yes. So within the bigger picture, there's a smaller picture. There's a smaller picture playing itself out. Within the bigger, within every bigger picture, there's multiple smaller pictures. That's a very key thing that I wanted to show you guys today. And from a candlestick perspective, we have the Holy Grail pattern. That's the outside inside bar. Look at the Holy Grail pattern, guys. Very powerful pattern with the Fibonacci. That's a very, very good setup. All right. That's it, my friends. I could go on all day long about this, but I'm going to stop right here. And I just really wanted to show you. Check us out in the Discord, guys. Give us a month. Come check us out. Grab the book. Grab a copy of the Fibonacci book right now. All right. What I'm going to do for you guys listening, instead of 1 month for free, we'll do 2 months. You'll get 60 days in the Discord, $99.99, $100. That might be the best $100 you invest in your whole life. $100, you get my book. Okay. 69 pages, 50 charts, plus my Nirvana and Golden. That'll highlight the Holy Grail for life. Okay. I give it to you for life. No problem. All right. Come check this book out. Okay. Otherwise, guys, you can sign up right here for $50 on the main page right there. $50. I haven't changed the price, guys. Inflation is, what the hell happened right here? Inflation is going up, guys. Everything is going up, but we still keep the price the same. I don't need the money, guys. I don't need it. But what I do need is I need you guys. I need the motivation. I need the power. I need that energy. I need the community. Okay. It's not a one-man game. Trading is one of the most solitary jobs in the world where you can sit at the chart every single day and it can drive you insane. But when you have a community, guys, we're undefeated. And if you look right here, here's my lounge. You see every single day. We got people typing every single day. We got people that have been here for a long time, guys. We're a community. That's the most important thing for me because this is a tough battle. And if you fight it by yourself, guys, it's going to be extremely difficult. Trust me, because I've done that before. All it takes is one mistake, one stupid mistake to blow up your account. I've done it many times. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you. Check me out, tradingwars.com, like I said. All right, guys, as always, right here, go to the resources page. You got all the 5 free lessons. Okay, we click on futures, for example. I wrote this, guys, from my hand. I put this all together for you guys. Read it. There's good examples. There's good videos. If I were to restart my career, I wish I could meet Trading Wars to read these guides because I'm serious. I'm serious here, guys. I put this together from scratch. Check it out. Okay. I bought the book yesterday with 1 month. Can I get 2 months? Yes, sir. Email me, rich@tradingwars.com. I'll take care of you. That's it. Thank you so much for your time. Much appreciated. This is what it is, guys. We live a life shot that we have, and I'm going to keep shooting until I hit it. All right. Thank you so much for your time. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, and let's go ahead and let's finish this week strong. I will be live streaming on Friday. Remember, the seminar is this Sunday. All right. So make sure you're there. Take care.